Welcome to the Low Content Publishing Madness Lesson 3, How to Find Low Content Keywords, one of my favorite lessons of the whole thing. Technique number 1, niching down to find trends. This is my number 1 favorite trend, or favorite technique rather. So what you're going to want to do, go to your bestsellers list. Then you're going to want to find the books category. You're going to find a trend. You might see a bunch of coloring books. Type in the search bar coloring books for and let Amazon do the work for you. Let the ideas auto-populate, and then you might find the idea coloring books for kids. And that might be a great keyword to publish for. I'll show you an example. You find the activity book section of the bestsellers list. You can see on the screen here, I have DS Quick View, so it shows the BSR of the books. Let's say you're scrolling down 74, you find these coloring book for kids or coloring books for kids, however you want to type it in. Then you take that idea, coloring book, type in coloring books for, and see you have several of these ideas, coloring books for toddlers, coloring books for kids, and coloring book for girls. So that's my favorite technique to do. You can kind of rinse and repeat and find a myriad of ideas and keywords. Technique number 2, no name for it. Basically just type in activity books for kids in the Amazon search bar, click enter. And then you just scroll through these results to get ideas. When you see a book that is selling well, that has less than 20 or 30 reviews, look up that keyword. So if you type in activity books for kids, you might find that same dinosaur book because it's selling well. And then you just type in coloring books for kids. Same thing, same concept. But that is a longer technique. But that's what you can do if you run out of ideas for technique number 1. That'll be it for this lesson. Next lesson we'll be covering how to assess profitability.